Why don't you click like and subscribe?
Yes!
Yeah!
Click the goddamn click.
Her curls are
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Her Curls Are Bad. I have a review for you guys, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and check out my Amazon store down in the description box and click the like button. I know you guys want to, because a lot of you guys come and visit my channel and haven't subscribed yet. Go ahead and subscribe. It's easy to do. Just click that red button down below that says subscribe and you'll catch more of my videos. Okay, so I'm going to review the new Fenty Beauty lip gloss set. It just came out yesterday, literally yesterday, and I thought, you know, hey, I would like to get more lip glosses, you know, up my lip gloss game, and here it is. It comes in such beautiful packaging, and it comes in like this 10 box set here, and you can kind of slide this off. It has a picture of the lip glosses on the back. Comes with a total of 5, and you have Pretty Please, Fussy, and Confetti, Hot Chocolate, and Cheeky. So those are the 5 lip glosses there, and it comes, well, it's basically describes what they do. It's addictive shine, nourishing wear, universal finishing touch, featuring best-selling Fuzzy and 4 brand new shades. Brilliance, irresistible formula. Well, it's basically in a different language at the bottom there. I don't know why I'm reading that, but yeah. These are the gloss bombs here, and I'm gonna slide this off like so, and it has Okay everyone, I'm doing the voiceover because I know that the sound was annoying with my camera, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for the rest of this video. So I am about to try on the color Hot Chocolate, and it's spelled lit at the end of chocolate. It's not chocolate, it's chocolate. So I'm showing you guys the color, and it's like a brown color, and it has some, like, I want to say like bronze glitter inside of it mixed in, and this will go perfect for our melanated sisters out here that just want basically a kind of like a clear gloss, I would say, because it's basically the same color as my lips, so it's not like giving us any tint really, but it looks so beautiful over a brown liner. And I'm going to try it on using my Fenty Beauty mirror, which can be purchased on the website. No, this isn't a sponsored video. Wish it was, but I bought this with my own money on the website just for a mirror that's portable and easily accessible and easy to bring in your suitcase. And it has the handle on the back of it, and it wasn't too expensive. I want to say it's less than 20 bucks. But I'm going to try the Hot Chocolate Gloss Bomb right now. And I love the applicators. The applicator is so cute. It's like a small doe foot, and it's half the size of a regular gloss bomb. But you see me put it on. I have nothing on my lips, so it's going on pretty smooth. You see a little bit of shine and some of the glitter particles in there. You can see it when I move my lips a little bit, and I'm talking into the camera now. But I love this color. I want to say it is my favorite out of the 5, but this is going to be my go-to out of all of them. This is my go-to. Who is texting? But yes, the hot chocolate is my fave. Okay, next I'm trying on Pretty Please, and this is the pink color, as you can see from the 5 gloss bombs, and this one right here has like some glitter in it but it's silver, and you do see some, I want to say that there's some pink glitter in it as well, and you will see in a minute how it glides on, and it does show up as pink when you put it on. But this will go perfect over a pink lipstick, or like a liquid lipstick, or a regular traditional lipstick. As you see, I'm putting it on and I'm loving it, and it applies well. When you rub your lips together, you do feel the glitter in it, I will say. But that doesn't bother me any. But if you're not a fan of glitter, you being able to feel the glitter when you rub your lips together, it shouldn't bother you that much. I want to say it's subtle. It's not too much. But I'm loving this color. And I'm going to pull the light closer to me so you can see the color payoff. But it looks pretty. Okay, so next I'm trying on the Confetti Gloss Bomb, and this color Gloss Bomb is more of a pastel glitter inside of the gloss. It has like a teal, pink, and blue color inside. It's different from the Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. The Diamond Milk doesn't have all those colors in it, so it's like a baby pink, like the lightest baby pink you can ever think of in a gloss. And it's very sheer, as you can see, but it has like a silvery tone to it, so it will be great over basically over any lipstick color, I would think, in my opinion. The Diamond Milk you wouldn't put over every lipstick because of the silver tone to it, the silver color. But it's a little different than the Diamond Milk. If you want to purchase the Diamond Milk, you're basically getting it in a mini version with the confetti color. It's just that confetti is a lot pink, like has a little pink tone to it. Like they just put it's not even a pigmented color. It's just more of a sheer pink, I would say. Okay, so I was excited to try on this color, Cheeky, because it's like a fiery red, orange, if you want to call it that color. But I say it's more on the orange side than red, and I'm trying it on now. It goes on really bright, but as you spread it out, it kind of shears a little bit. But this will go great over any red color lipstick. If you don't like to wear the matte lipstick, this is great to add some shine. But I'm a really big fan of gloss. Like gloss, I like my lips to look juicy and moisturized, so I'm more of a gloss person than I am a lipstick person. I like to wear them both at the same time, but this is for my girls that just want a natural look instead of lipstick. But here I'm looking at it now, and it is very pretty on the lips. But you really can't see it that much, but I don't think that's the point of it anyways. It's kind of just to add just a small tint. If you're lighter than me, you probably would see it a little bit brighter on your skin tone, but for my ladies that are on the brown side and have more melanin in their skin, you won't see it as bright as you would as the lighter skin people out there. But Cheeky is also a beautiful color. It has the silvery glitter in there and some gold flecks in there as well. But Cheeky is beautiful on the skin, and it would go great on over top any red lipstick. And here is our trusty fuzzy that came out earlier. I want to say it was last year that this came out. I had purchased the bigger version of this before, so I'm kind of used to this color. But it's a nude gloss bomb, and it looks very good on the lips. And this one is a universal color. Actually, all of these are universal. All of these gloss bombs can work on anybody, in my opinion. And I want to say it's marketed that way too. On the packaging, it says that it is let's see. Yeah, it's formulated for everyone, and it's universal finishing touch featuring best-selling Fuzzy. But Fuzzy is considered one of the best-selling gloss bombs that Fenty Beauty has, and you can tell because it works on everybody, so everyone's going to purchase it. So it's comparable to the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the very first gloss bomb that came out, the Fenty Glow. They're similar in color. One is lighter than the other. The Fenty Glow, I feel like, is a little bit darker than Fuzzy. If you put them side by side, I'm looking at them right now. But they give the same shine and a nude, well, kind of like a clear gloss or like a nude glow to your lips. So now I'm going to try on the lip paint untouched with the Gloss Bomb Pretty Please. So I'm just going to put on the lip paint first and let it dry down because it's like a matte finish. With this, I didn't feel the need to put on a lip liner with it, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it and spreading it on my lips. Now, it could be a little, well, some people do feel that this color is too bright for people that are my color, but I say, you know, mind your business. I'm just playing. But I like bright colors on my skin tone, so if I feel like wearing it, I'm going to wear it. So now that it's dried down, I'm going to put Pretty Please over it so you guys can see if it gives like any more of a tint, but it kind of gives it like a bright shine, which we'll see in a minute. So this is a lot more clear. Got lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so this is the Unlocked Lip Paint, Stunning Lip Paint with the Pretty Please lip gloss on top. Okay, that was an awkward smile. Still got lipstick on my teeth. But these two together, pretty. So pretty, y'all. And I know this may be too bright for some folk, you know. There was this girl in Sephora actually yesterday when I was picking this up, and she was trying on the red color of the lip paints. I can't remember which one that's called, but she was trying the red version on this, and she said red is for old people. I was like, try again, girl, because red colors on any skin tone is beautiful, no matter if you're old, young, in between. Red is pretty. So she tried it on in the store. She was like, okay, I could see this working, but you know, she was still a little apprehensive of trying it because she doesn't wear lip colors a lot. I can agree, you know, I'm just kind of getting into, go get my feet wet into the makeup game, really. But you won't know until you try. So I encourage ladies and gentlemen, anybody, to try something, you know, out of the box once in a while, you know. But this is the gift sets, guys. They're all pretty. All of them look good on everyone. And there's some swatches on the Fenty Beauty Instagram if you want to check those out. If you want to see if it works for your skin tone, I guarantee it's going to work for your skin tone no matter what color you are. So here they are, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Fenty Beauty reviews. I feel like every time something drops, I'm always going to get it, but you know, I had the friends and family coupon, so I was like, okay, I'm about to get this. But thank you, Anika, again for the friends and family discounts. But okay, here are the lip glosses again. Pretty, so pretty. But thank you for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Lipstick on my teeth. But click that like button, the thumbs up,
and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!